And we're back to the CapCut in a year, day 106. Let me show you how you can create diagonal split screens. You need 2 clips, stack them on top of one another. Then check right here the aspect ratio. I'll make it 16:9 and make sure that both clips fit that aspect ratio. Then select the top clip, go to video mask, add a mask. You can rotate all of them, so even the rectangle here. But best for a split screen is to use the split, then rotate it here with this circle or use the numerical value. For this split, around -29 to 30 degrees should be fine. You can even reposition that if you just left click drag on the middle line. But for a split screen that cuts it in half, set it to 0 for the position X and Y. And then you can just let it roll. If you want to have the split screen starting at the top left, going to the bottom right, you can yet again use this circle right here and go to around 150, I believe. Let me check. -150, I'm sorry. Go to -150, 151, and then you've got a position in center, and there you go. Obviously, you need to have the right clips for that. You don't want to cut into important information, but this is the method to use. So go to the top clip, video mask, use the split, and then simply rotate it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.